Znam tko, vidiš, čava je noter, traja vani večer, veselje ostali so že noter.
Kakšni so občutki, ko se rokuješ z županom?
Ne pozabim.
Ima tak čvrst stisk roke ali je bolj mlahov?
Čvrst. Enako vreden moj.
Ampak sam tukaj, te pa ni roke dal, ne? A ja, je tudi.
On je džent?
Nisem utrpela tega
Ja, ni,
pomankanja.
ne.
My favorite is taking a walk around the city and go to the capital. Yeah.
You look down and you see Slovenians, Ljubljana people. Are they nice?
Yeah, of course. And also, it's like this, it's a big theme park. It's like the Disneyland.
Yes, I also Christian, and then I read the Bible every day to get faith.
What about when you lose?
I read the Bible again.
Voila! Dašte mi nominerali. Oprostite, ker ne znam dobro slovensko. Ampak si bom potrudil.
Mr. Brun, I'm sorry, yeah. Watch too much to the right.
I came here a little bit earlier than Mr. Brun. He came here and then a couple of months later the hotel was opened. I've been here for 4 years already, and I hope that I can finish the project before I got the pensionist.
I want to accept, in the field of culture, we're always in a recession. So I want to accept this on behalf of the other cultural nominees.
I think I want to say thank you to God. He gave me the life, the health to be here, and after I want to say thank you for my wife to carry me every day, the day and the night.
A bit Oscar-like. It feels like I have to say thanks to my parents and everyone, and of course I do. I also want to thank my colleagues, because I must say that the diplomatic corps in Ljubljana is fantastic. And you see it also in the dress code. We dressed alike, we had dark suits, we had these Bordeaux red ties, so there's chemistry between us. I think this.
Well, what a surprise. I'm very proud. And first of all, I would like to congratulate all the nominees and also winners. Yes, I would like to take this prize on behalf of my whole team, because they did a fantastic job. We opened this beautiful hotel in Portorož within 5 months. Normally, if we open hotels, we have at least 1.5 years time.